In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use approvals in Asana. We'll walk through setting up an approval task, giving your approver everything they need, and capturing the final decision clearly so your team can move forward with confidence. Start on the Asana homepage. Make sure the left-hand sidebar is visible so you can get to your work quickly. If it's collapsed, click the sidebar toggle in the upper left to open it. If it doesn't expand on the first click, click again until you see your projects and teams appear. With the sidebar open, find and select the project where you want to run the approval. Inside the project, open the task you want to send for approval. At the top of the task, look for the task type dropdown and change it to approval. This converts the task into a formal approval, which adds the decision controls your approver will use later. If you're prompted to confirm the type, select approval again. Give the approval a clear, action-oriented name so everyone knows exactly what's being reviewed. Then click the task to open the detail pane. Next, assign the task to the person who should make the decision. Click the Asana field, start typing their name or email, and select the correct person from the list. Assigning the approver ensures they receive notifications and that the request lands on their to-do list. Add any supporting files your approver will need. Click Files and upload documents, images, or links. Complete any relevant fields such as priority to signal urgency or business impact. This helps the approver understand how quickly a decision is needed. Set the approval status if your workflow uses a preset value, or leave it until the approver responds. The status will reflect the decision as the task progresses. In the description, include a concise brief, what's being approved, what to look for, key requirements, and any context your approver needs to make a fast, confident call. Use the comments section to add notes, ask questions, or provide updates as the work evolves. When everything is ready, notify your approver. They'll see decision buttons right on the task. They can click approve if everything looks good or request changes if something needs adjustment. Their choice will update the task so the team immediately knows what to do next. That's it. By converting a task to an approval, assigning the right person, attaching the right files, filling in fields, and documenting context, you create a clean, trackable decision flow that keeps work moving.